guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your Kimberly, and so in this video I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial for you guys. It is super easy, super fun to do. It's not that hard, and let's get started. Right, so the items I'm going to be using are water, any water you have, a brush, a teasing, and some gel, and a few bobby pins like these, and of course I'm going to be using my bun that I left to use. You don't have to use this if you don't want to. You can just use a normal bun, but I like to use it because my hair is not like this, so I like to use it. So first things are, I have a mirror here, so I'll be looking that way. Oh, and an elastic too. So this is what my hair looks like, and it still smells good from the cream I showed you guys. So I'm gonna be, if I'm looking that way, it's because I have a mirror up here. So I'm just going to, okay, so I have the mirror here. I had to move it, so I have my mirror here. So the first thing is we're gonna do a little poof here. So what you do is just grab from here, and I'm gonna add some water first because I really want my poof to be nice and flat. So I'm just gonna grab it here like that. I put some water because I want my bun to be flat. Let me put out more, and I'm gonna grab a little bit of gel, any gel, it doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit like that, and just put it on so it's nice and tamed when I tease it like that. So we're gonna pull hair like this, and this is my teasing comb. Now if you don't have a teasing comb, you can just do it regularly with any brush here, but this is my teasing comb. So I'm gonna do like I'm scooping out some ice cream like this, so it's nice and poofed like that. And now I'm gonna grab and I'm gonna smooth it down because I don't want it to be too much. That's okay if I have the hair there. I'm gonna twist it and I'll put it up a little bit like this, and then we're gonna bobby pin it. And I'm gonna use 2 bobby pins, and we're gonna do like cross side, so something like this. That's what it looks like. And now I'm just gonna do that. Okay, so we have a bump. Now I'm gonna do twisties in this side too. So I'm just gonna grab this side like this. Just grab a side like that. It doesn't really have to be. You can do it too big or small. Mine are gonna be, I'm gonna grab a little bit more hair. Mine are gonna be like this. So just put your hair on the side. Put some water in there. Now if your hair is straight, you know, you can add hairspray or water, but my hair is not straight, so I like to add water because I like to tame the flyaways that I have. So it's like that. Put a little bit of gel, and we're gonna begin a twist. Just a twisties. So you're gonna grab it like that, begin twisting the hair, and after you're like from the ear, you bobby pin it down. So you have something like this, nice and bobby pin down. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now that I've done the twisty, I twisted like this, and I did another one here in the bump, and now we're gonna pick up all the hair that we have going on here. I like to water it again. so I can tame the flyaways on the back of my hair because they're annoying. The hair on the back and a little bit of gel. So, and a little gel there too, like that. So now we have our hair remained up here. Oh, I'm having trouble with this bobby pin. That it won't work well. Okay. And then we're going to pick it up. And we're going to grab our elastic that I have here. And we're going to do like a bun. A twisty. And with the elastic, tie it. Like. So you're going to do something like this. And now we're going to grab our bun. Keep forgetting what's it called. And we're going to just put it on. And tie it like that. And fix the bun. So it's nice and fixed. Okay. So we're just going to fix the bun. Make it cute. Make it nice. And stuff. Okay, so now that we have, we're gonna pull up a little bit the top with my fingers actually. So like that. I'm gonna loosen up this a little bit. And we're gonna put a little more gel. You can go ahead and put hairspray, but I'm not going to. On the back too, because on the back is so annoying to have hair sticking out. Put this a little bit. Okay, so this is the finished look. So let me give you a 360, how you call it, 360 view on the hair. So front, the sides, and the bun, like that. It is super easy to do, super fun. These are other ways to actually do your hair when you have a hair piece or a hair bun, or even like a scrunchie or whatever you have, or a hair piece. You can do these fun hairstyles, so you just don't have to look like weird, like all slick hair and no style hair, because I used to do that. But I saw many tutorials, and so something new. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and push that notification as well. And that's all I have for you guys today. I really hope you guys enjoy this hair tutorial. I love doing hair tutorials. They're super fun to do. And stay safe, stay home, stay beautiful, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.